Namaste, friends. Today, June 12th, 2025, the universe pulses with Jupiter's wisdom, inviting us to expand, act, and embrace change. The stars urge us to step out of comfort zones and see the bigger picture. Let this day be a celebration of your potential. Plant seeds of intention and speak your truth with compassion. Remember, astrology is a map, not a fixed fate. Use it to navigate life's currents with awareness. With Ganesha's blessings, let's begin this day with hope and adventure. Jai Ganesha. Scorpio friends. Today's cosmic energy is powerful and mysterious, bringing hidden truths to the surface and inviting you to embrace profound transformation. The universe is gently nudging you to look beneath the surface of your life, to notice what's been quietly shifting in the background. This is a day to honor your inner strength and resilience, to recognize that every challenge you faced has prepared you for this moment of awakening. Allow yourself to be open to change, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Trust your intuition. It's your superpower now. Listen closely to the subtle messages your heart and mind are sending you. Your instincts are sharper than ever, guiding you toward the right choices and helping you navigate any uncertainty. Take a few moments to sit quietly, breathe deeply, and connect with your inner wisdom. You may be surprised by the clarity and insight that emerges when you give yourself space to reflect. At work, dig deep. Your insight uncovers what others miss. You have a unique ability to see patterns and connections that others overlook. Use this gift to solve problems, offer creative solutions, and support your team. Don't be afraid to speak up if you notice something important. Your perspective is valuable and could make a real difference today. Relationships may face honest reckonings. Let vulnerability deepen your bonds. If difficult conversations arise, approach them with compassion and honesty. Sharing your true feelings can be scary, but it's also the key to building trust and intimacy. Remember, being open about your needs and fears can help you and your loved ones grow closer and stronger together. Singles, a magnetic connection may appear. Proceed with awareness. If you meet someone new, pay attention to the energy between you. Trust your gut feelings about whether this person is right for you. Sometimes the most powerful connections are the ones that challenge us to grow and see ourselves in a new light. Support your health with detox, hydration, and gentle movement. Your body is your foundation, so treat it with care. Drink plenty of water, eat nourishing foods, and move in ways that feel good. Even a short walk or a few minutes of stretching can help you release tension and restore your energy. For spiritual renewal, try Trataka. Gaze at a candle flame, visualizing it burning away negativity and filling you with courage. This simple practice can help you clear your mind, release old fears, and invite in a sense of peace and empowerment. Let the light of the flame remind you of your own inner fire. Rise from challenges like the phoenix. Today is your day to transform. Embrace your inner power, trust the journey, and know that you are capable of incredible growth. The universe is on your side, cheering you on as you step boldly into a new chapter of your life. Gemini friends, Mercury sharpens your mind and words. Today is perfect for networking, sharing ideas, and making breakthroughs. Your charm draws people in. Use your wit to build bridges, not burn them. Double-check travel plans to avoid minor mix-ups. Organize your documents and stay mindful on the road. For spiritual focus, chant Om Buddhaya Namaha to channel Mercury's energy and enhance clarity. Let your gift of communication uplift and inspire. Make every conversation count. Sagittarius, Jupiter's blessings bring expansion. Embrace learning, travel, and new philosophies. Career growth is likely, especially in teaching, publishing, or international work. Be optimistic but avoid impulsive spending. Reconnect with nature. Walk, hike, or simply sit under a tree to ground yourself. Visualize roots grounding you and branches connecting you to the cosmos. Let nature replenish your spirit and balance today's expansive energy. Seek wisdom, but stay practical. Adventure awaits. Step forward with confidence. Today's dominant energy is Agni, the fire element, fueling action, ambition, and transformation. Use this fiery drive for positive pursuits, exercise, creative projects, or honest conversations. Beware impatience or conflict. Channel fire constructively. The atmosphere feels charged. Let it motivate you to move and engage with the world. Balance inner heat by staying hydrated and eating warming, not spicy foods. Light a candle to welcome Agni's energy. Embrace passion, but temper it with mindfulness. Let the fire within guide you wisely. Happy birthday, June 12th, Geminis. Mercury blesses you with intellect, charm, and curiosity. This year brings opportunities for learning, travel, and new connections. Embrace change and let your versatility shine. Balance your brilliant mind with your heart's wisdom. Reflect and listen within. Set 3 heartfelt intentions for the year. Write them down as your contract with the universe. Keep your goals close and let Ganesha's grace guide you. May your year be filled with joy, growth, and laughter. Happy birthday, shine bright. If today feels heavy, know you're not alone. Many of us walk through days that feel clouded and uncertain. Sometimes the weight of our worries can make it seem as if the world is standing still. But remember, even in the darkest moments, there is a gentle light waiting to guide you forward. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to pause. Notice the small comforts around you, a warm cup of tea, the sound of rain, or the softness of your favorite blanket. These little things are reminders that hope is never far away. Challenges are not just obstacles, they are opportunities for growth, much like a seed pushing through the soil to reach the sun. Every struggle you face is shaping you, helping you become stronger and more resilient. Trust that, with time, you will emerge from this experience wiser and more compassionate. Be gentle with yourself. It's okay to feel what you feel. Allow your emotions to flow without judgment. Self-kindness is a powerful act of healing. When you treat yourself with patience and understanding, you create space for your heart to mend and your spirit to rest. Offer yourself the compassion you'd give a friend. Imagine what you would say to someone you love if they were struggling. Now say those words to yourself. You are deserving of kindness, support, and understanding, especially from your own heart. Try this ritual. Before bed, speak your worries into a bowl of salted water with flower petals. Let your thoughts and fears flow out of you and into the water, knowing that you are creating a sacred space for release and renewal. This simple act can help you let go of what weighs you down. Pour it onto the earth, asking to release your burdens. As the water soaks into the ground, imagine your worries dissolving, returning to the earth to be transformed. Trust that nature will help carry your troubles away, making space for new beginnings. Say, I release what no longer serves me. I let go of pain, fear, and doubt, and I trust in the process of healing. I am open to peace and healing. Allow these words to settle in your heart. Feel the gentle shift as you invite calm and hope into your life. Each day, remind yourself that you are worthy of peace and that healing is always possible. Trust that this phase will pass. Just as night gives way to morning, your difficult moments will eventually transform into brighter days. Time is always moving, and with it, your heart will find new strength and clarity. You are loved and supported by the universe. Even when you feel alone, remember that you are held in a web of care and possibility. Trust in your journey, and know that brighter days are ahead. Jai Ganesha. As the universe weaves its intricate patterns above us, today's cosmic energy offers a unique opportunity to align your actions and intentions with the celestial flow. Let's explore the do's and don'ts that will help you make the most of this day, guided by the wisdom of the stars and planets. Start by expressing yourself openly. Share your thoughts, ideas, and feelings with those around you. Whether it's through conversation, creative pursuits, or simply being honest about your emotions, let your authentic self shine. Confidence paired with kindness will help you connect deeply with others and foster understanding. Take initiative in your personal and professional life. If there's a project you've been putting off, or a goal you've been hesitant to pursue, now is the time to act boldly. The universe supports those who take decisive steps, so channel your determination and move forward with purpose. Seek wisdom wherever you can find it. This could mean picking up a new book, reaching out to a mentor for guidance, or simply being open to learning from everyday experiences. Growth comes from curiosity and a willingness to expand your horizons. On the practical side, be mindful of your finances. Avoid the temptation to overspend or make impulsive purchases. Today calls for thoughtful budgeting and careful planning. Remember, financial stability is a foundation for future growth. Steer clear of pointless arguments or conflicts that drain your energy. If disagreements arise, choose peace over being right. Sometimes, walking away or finding common ground is the wisest path, allowing you to maintain your inner calm and focus on what truly matters. Trust your intuition today. If something doesn't feel right, listen to your inner voice. Your instincts are heightened under these planetary influences, so let your gut guide you in making important decisions. Celestially, the moon's presence in a fire sign amplifies emotions and passion, encouraging boldness and enthusiasm. Jupiter's expansive energy brings opportunities for growth and learning, while Mercury's influence enhances communication, making it a great day for meaningful conversations and sharing ideas. However, Mars and Saturn may introduce delays or obstacles. If things don't go as planned, practice patience and mindfulness. These challenges are not setbacks, but cosmic reminders to slow down, reflect, and approach situations with care. View any obstacles as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. The universe often tests our resolve, but with resilience and a positive mindset, you can transform challenges into stepping stones toward your goals. Carry today's positive energy with you. Be bold in your actions, kind in your interactions, and wise in your decisions. Your attitude will set the tone for the day and inspire those around you. Remember, the universe is always listening. Set clear intentions for what you wish to manifest, and trust that your focused energy will attract the right opportunities and experiences. Om Shanti. May peace and blessings guide you until we meet again. Embrace the cosmic flow, and let today be a step toward your highest self.